Email is one of the oldest forms of digital communication, but it's also one of the most effective digital marketing strategies out there. Sure, there are newer methods of communicating with your audience and customers like social media and live chat. However, with a user base of over 4.5 billion people, email is the king of marketing channels. Additionally, email marketing has an ROI of $36 for every dollar spent, meaning it deserves a place in every marketer's toolbox. Email marketing is still ranked as the most effective marketing channel, beating out social media, SEO, and affiliate marketing. Why, with all the hype over new channels, why is this decades-old technology still one of the most effective marketing strategies? In addition, with email marketing you own the connections, you don't have to worry about algorithm changes tanking your reach. Introduction to email marketing. Email marketing is a marketing strategy where businesses send promotional messages to people in mass quantities. It is typically used to generate sales by sharing promotional offers, nurturing leads, or expanding the impact of content marketing efforts. If you open up your email box right now, there's a good chance at least half of your messages are email marketing. Email marketing delivers huge returns for marketers willing to learn how to do it right, and it doesn't have to be complicated. First, remember you're a guest in the inboxes of your subscribers. So, be polite, respectful, and deliver value. You'll want to follow through with the promises you make. Provide people with what they've asked for and email regularly to line up with their expectations. There's no formula for boosting email automation. It's all about what works best for you and your company's voice and style. Finally, you can move on to email segmentation and analytics once you've mastered the basics. Start sending separate emails to different groups so you can deliver more useful emails. This video is about introduction of email marketing. If you want to know more about this topic and learn it practically, stay connected to watch more videos on this topics. Thanks for watching.